The modern world we live in today can never simply function without mining. Mineral products are significant components for cars, cell phones, type of machinery and equipment, solar panels and wind turbines that give us renewable energy, fertilizers, and all kinds of construction materials. Urbanization, population growth, and income growth are fundamental forces that increase the demands of these consumer products, hence increasing the needs for mined products as backbone of these growths. Suricore Mining Corporation defines what a company should be in society: a good core that innovates and sustains the health of the environment, facilitates in the improving of the lives of the people in the community, and empowering the nation economically.
Welcome to Suricore Mining Corporation.
The Suricore mine site is located in the barangays of Taganito, Orbistondo, and Hayangabon in the municipality of Claver, province of Surigao del Norte, with a total population of approximately 33,000. Its area of operation is within the Surigao Mineral Reservation. Suricore exports saprolite and limonite ore and provides limonite ore and non-mining services to its adjacent Surigao processing plant. The company has approximately 3,000 manpower, 2,500 field operations, and 500 administrative people. The mining area is a government mineral reservation with MPSA number 210201013. It is not located in, nor is it adjacent to protected areas and the areas of high biodiversity value. The company has an annual production rate of 11,500,000 wet metric tons and has a wide range of equipment, which includes dump trucks, excavator, wheel loaders, road grader, vibro compactor, bulldozer, and fuel and water lorry that are being utilized to achieve this yearly production.
Suricore operates with a progressive type of mining to extract saprolite and limonite ores. Contour mining is a version of street mining that follows the contours of the outcrop and hairy mountains. Using this method, the development and rehabilitation activities progress simultaneously.
The total development area is 3,278 hectares and exploration areas of 1,688 hectares with a total MPSA of 4,682 hectares.
The ridges in this area are in very close proximity and subject to several major faults that gradually descend towards the rolling coastal area facing towards the Suricore Passage.
Small low-lying hills and narrow plains characterize the coastal area. A fairly wide plain area is only found in Barangay Taganito.
The laterite and saprolite and bedrock have give profiles from top to bottom. In determining the nature of the saprolite zone, the degree of saprotinization of the laterite bedrock is important, while the nickel-ferrous laterite profile structure and appearance are described and displayed in terms of mineral solubility and drainage conditions.
The climate of the Surigao del Norte area is of tropical type with rainy and dry seasons. Generally, the wet months are October to March, while the dry months are from April to September. Although the rainy days are mostly concentrated in the rainy seasons, there are occurrences during the dry season. The distinction between the seasons in this area is not clear compared with the western portions of the Philippines.
A common shrub called Payuspos predominantly covers the contract area. Coconut trees are grown mainly along the coast. Mangrove and nipa swamps are present along the Hayangabon and Cajanal coasts. And lastly, rice is grown in the plain areas where the soil is not laterite.
The bench height at Suricore Mining Corporation is at 3 meters, while the bench width is at 6 meters. The bench slopes are from 70 to 90 degrees, while the access slopes are at 10% to 15%, so that our trucks and other equipment, above all, the workers, will be safe enough in every operation they make. This is the dump truck cycle time of Suricore Mining Corporation. The loading time consists of queuing, maneuvering, loading time, and hauling. The queuing time is for 3 minutes, maneuvering for 1 minute, loading time is at 1 minute and 30 seconds, while hauling is at 3 minutes and 56 seconds.
Suricore Mining Corporation distinguishes itself from other mining operations by having a processing facility next to it that is named as Suricore High Pressure Acid Leaching Nickel Corporation, or SCH-PAL. The final stage of the mill process is the final neutralization. It is where we precipitate heavy metals from wastewater solution for environmental protection before discharging solution to the tailings dam and to the sea. Suricore Mining Corporation is the supplier of low-grade ore or limonite ore to SCH-PAL. This is transferred directly via conveyor belts with a flow rate of 800 wet metric tons per hour. By acid leaching low-grade lateritic ore, the hydrometallurgical processing plant is intended to produce 30,000 tons of nickel and 2,640 tons of cobalt as mixed sulfide with a high recovery rate. Although China is SMC's principal market, recent marketing activities may allow it to export nickel ore to new customers such as Japan and other Asian nations. SMC must generate at least 50,500 wet metric tons of saprolite ore each day from all active ridges, which will be divided into 3 shifts to accomplish a 1.4 million wet metric tons of monthly output.
The mine life of Suricore Mining Corporation is 25 years, to be renewed every 5 years, in accordance with the mine life established by the law under RA 7942, Chapter 3, Section 32.
The financial highlights of Suricore Mining Corporation as of December 2022. Note that the numbers presented here should be multiplied by 1 million. The gross output of Suricore Mining Corporation is at 2,587,545 dry metric tons of nickeliferous ore as a feed for Suricore High Pressure Acid Leaching Corporation.
We will be having our picture of Suricore Mining Corporation starting with the admin building. So here it houses different departments, which including the mining department, the geology department, the commercial department, and many other departments that is needed in our company. Next is the milling, which the limonite ore is being processed for transportation or for other shipments that is not direct shipping ore. So next is our port. So this is where the direct shipping ore happens. So we transport or we directly ship the saprolite ore here. So as you can see here, beside this part of our mine site is we already start our rehabilitation process here. So the reason why milling is here in our mine site is to have a easier transport and so that it will lessen the carbon footprints. So as you can see here, we have our conveyor belt right here, and this is where the mill process excavation happens. Also, we are using motor mining equipment. We have different equipment. So we have the loader, the dump truck, and excavator. We have different signages which is used to guide our operators once they are operating in the mine area. And also we have pickup trucks to be used by our supervisors when they are touring or they are moving around the mine site to supervise our operators.
Through the years, Suricore Mining Corporation, with its vision and mission, continuously achieved the highest standards in the responsible utilization of the Philippines' natural resources to develop and operate a profitable and responsible mining operation that creates value for the shareholders, employees, government, and community stakeholders.
Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình 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 tang tang tình tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình 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 tang tang tình tang tình mình tình tang 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 tình. Ngày bao nhà thương, ngày bao nhà thương, ngày bao nhà anh biết thương. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình 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 tang tang tình tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình 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 tan tan tình tan tình mình tình tan tan tan.